We're back out at Watts Nike Community Store, aka Nike Outlet Watts. We do get 40% off the back wall. Also have refurbs here, but refurb section looks a little bare. Damn, actually the whole clearance section looks a little bare. And they do have returns of the Levi's here, just like the Nike Outlet or Nike Glendale. And then look at this. Look at this. There's no way. Really? This is crazy huge though. Like a size 15 or size 17. I'm gonna see if they have other sizes and if it's the same price. I doubt it. There's no way. And even the Kobe's right here. Look at this. Wow. Wow. I forgot I told myself I need to wear my infrared 6s as they're starting to yellow already. Size 9s. The Phantom Elite cleats right here. 177. These wrestling boots? Or I think this is wrestling, right? Yeah, wrestling shoes right here. $70. Got some KDs. 120. Checking out all the smaller sizes. 7.5 for Luka 3s. Killshot 2s. 55. Zagama Trails right here. These are some nice trail running shoes. I think this might be one of the better prices. Yeah, $90 for these. Full Forces, $48. Remember, you get 40% off. This is slightly imperfect. Jordan Hair right here. The Jordan basketball shoe that's unisex. But I think all their shoes are unisex, aren't they? Yeah, slightly imperfect. $58. I got these right here. Court Royale 2s, $38. Zoom Freak 7s. They're going for $115, 40 off. And it looks like they made it out the aisles because we see a ton of them. Full Forces right here, $57. Luka 3, $65. These are size 10. They got a 9.5 as well. Air Max DMs, $80, size 9. Jordan 2, $75 for the snakeskin ones right there. Got LeBrons, 21s right here, size 11, $100. Workers seem busy, so I haven't had a chance to talk to them about the 6s right there. Check out the apparel where you get 40% off. Got a Kobe Mamba Mentality. This is not a small. $40. I'm checking the small section. I was like, this is a double XL. Oh wait, I think I was in the wrong section. That was a medium section. Right there, do you got a Mamba Mentality hoodie right here, all white, which I like, but I cannot do. No price tag? No price tag. Dang it. Dang it. I saw this on the floor. Can I try to put it on here and act like it's that? I don't know. Double XL section. Got these right here. Small. $80 for this Jordan Sport fleece jacket. Got this Tech Pack jacket right here. Windbreak at $130. I think that's it for this rack. Rarely ever see these here. Actually do see a Nike refurb. Is this Tech fleece? Oh, 24/7 pants right here. $65. Remember, you get 40 off on top. I think that might be a return or something because they normally don't have any refurb clothing here. They do have it at East LA. That's usually the only spot. $50 for that. Corduroy pants right here. Super loose fit. It is a large. The waist even seems like really big for a large. But yeah, $65. Tech fleece, all black. Right here, $115, 40 off. Still not too bad. This one is $120. Thing that fell down. Some Jordan pants. Right here, $35. $35. Like a khaki material. And football. This is football pants right here, $80 with the pads. All right, we're finishing off the back wall where we see Full Forces, $48. That's an 11.5. KD, $17.75. All these prices really nice with the 40% off. Next, Genesis right here, $75. Ion 3, $75. Gently Worn, these are also gently worn. Luka 3s, $85. Flight Course right here, $80. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s, $90. Decent colorway, gently worn. They're close to like $50 something, like $55, something like that. It's not bad. Shocks R4 is 155. That's a Monarch size 12, 43. Remember, you get that extra discount. Holy crap! That's like what, 26 bucks. Jordan 1 mids 130, $90 for these dunks. These are size 12. Full forces 48. These are size 13. Finally seeing some extended size pricing, $90. So what is that, freaking 60 bucks after the saving, or $99, 60 bucks after savings. Got some generic Nikes, 55. Blazers, huge size right here. These bad boys, $38, 38 bucks. So that's a little over 20 bucks. Wow. One of the workers is checking up on the sixes. That comes out to like 90 bucks, dude. That is crazy. So someone just grabbed the size 17 or whatever, and they only have a size 13 left. Size 13, dang nabbit. And the customer just told me he brought this back, and I saw him at the front desk. Dang it. What's this one? I wonder what this is. Well, we know that's not it. Damn, dude. We're gonna move to the aisles, but look, they also have some LeBrons right here. LeBron 23s for 40%. Oh, that's not bad. Now, when the hell did these come out? I've not been paying attention, or at least PSG. Got PSG 6s right here too. Damn. All right, I'm gonna check out the aisles, and I'll make a short for you guys. My bad, dude. I'm not gonna lie, some of my videos have been lagging. Not gonna lie, I've been drinking way too much on the weekends, which has led to me being hungover in the mornings and not being able to make videos. Dude, got a bunch of the non-signature Jordans right here. Got an entire aisle full. Then we do have the UNC one reimagined right here. Got a couple of mids and lows, and a few more of these non-signatures. These are the Jordan 4 RMs. Got some KD 18s, which do come in the OG Nike box. What the hell? OG Nike / OG Jordan box. What the hell? Got some books right here. Budget signature basketball shoes right here. More Witnesses on this side. Flight Legacies. Air Max 2017s. A couple different colorways. Some SB Alley-Oops. A couple different colorways. And I just saw one of the workers take this. That's how quick stuff happens, you guys. Just got returned while I was here, and then just got sold. Wow. You get Jordan Retros for more than 50% off. That is kind of what happens. Some running shoes. I see a bunch of budget stuff. Don't really see anything crazy. Nothing really worth sharing. All right, moving over to the women's sizes. And I'm starting with the huge sizes. Size 12, size 10 and a half men's. And yeah, you got this Gray Fox Smoke Gray. Dunks go for 90. Jordan mids 100. Men's section pretty bare too. And a bunch of these grade school stuff, to be really honest. So kind of freaking bare. Yeah, definitely not seeing any running shoes I was hoping for. You got some really loud Pegasus Wave right here. These are size 975. Then more of these mids right here. That one's not priced. That one, yeah, they're all going for 100, it looks like. But definitely nothing of quality in the huge sizes, unfortunately. Got some Elevate lows. Kind of interesting. These are like the platform Jordan 1s, go for 81. Vomero Roams right here, super bulky, but they look kind of dope actually. Size 11 men's, 130. And like I said, like everything looks pretty decent with 40% off. SB Day 1, what the hell? These are grade school number 1. But number 2, not really familiar with these. Some kind of more generic SB shoes, 55. Going to the more normal sizes, got some Cortez, 95. Some super bright dunks. These are a refurbished pair, light new though, 70, 40 off. Got them in a size 9.5 women's as well. Jordan 1 Low SE, $55. So it's like 30 bucks, 30 freaking bucks. Did I show these dunks? 90 bucks. What is this? What is this? Ooh, these are really mediocre looking. Air Max Muse, I believe. Yeah, 102. Not really much in terms of quality in the women's clearance section. So we're gonna move on to the aisles, where of course we got Dunks, and we got some Jordan 1 lows, and some mids, as well as we got fart smell mixed with some weed. What the hell? Someone around here does not smell good. I don't know. Got the iconic sandals, as well as the Valentine's Day Jordan 4s. And I made sure I said it quietly, because man, I know where I am. I know where I'm in, fools. Come on now, dude. Got a lot of generics, as well as some Cortez, free Metcon 5s, and then more generics. And then in the running section, do got some Infinity Run Finite 4s. We've seen these for crazy cheap. These probably all just got here, so a little bit high. Then we're moving over to the kids section. Oh, I think I skipped these Sabrinas and the women's. Then the kids got some Vomeros, got some Witnesses, some 23s here already. LeBron 23s, that is Jordan 4 RMs, and some Stay Loyals, and then tons and tons of just generic stuff. One thing I was wondering, I wonder why they've only retroed the Vomero 5s. How come not any of the other Vomeros? Oh, that's weird. So the clearance section, pretty bare compared to what we've seen the last month or so. But this spot's all about the refurbs as well as the returns. You can get Levi's here for retail. You can get LeBron's for 40% off, as well as some of the Kobe's, and then some of the retros that we missed out on, Jordan retros. But you have to get lucky. And then I forgot these. Look. You got, who is this with? This is a collab with someone, and I'm gonna, y'all gonna roast me, because I remember these. Remember that symbol, but I don't remember who it was with. But yeah, the material's definitely nicer. Definitely nicer. Yeah, 160 for those. The next door they do have a Ross. Of course, we're coming right to the sneaker section, where they do got some Vans for 43 in a smaller size, as well as some Chucks for 40, and some Snoop Dogg sketches. I don't know the model number. I don't know any of that stuff. It says 20 bucks. I think it says 20. Some other Converse 43. Crocs, Sprite Crocs for $30. No, what are those called? Whatever these are called. Gibbets. Jordan 4 RMs over here going for 70. These are what, 10? 9.5. Max R go for 70. Metcons, I feel like we see these. We always see these here. But yeah, it's been reduced to 49. What are these, Hokas? Never seen these bad boys. Zanals go for 70. More of these. KDs go for 90. There's a Hello Kitty sitting here on the floor. 20 bucks for this huge, it's like heavy too. Yeah, if someone's into Hello Kitty, grab them. One of those for 20 bucks, damn. If you don't have a chick, just grab one and save it for when you do meet a chick, because I swear all chicks are into Hello Kitty nowadays. What the hell? Size 13, the SLs. These look like boats. Holy crap. 40 bucks. Big Feet Gang, not really much for y'all here at all, damn. In the apparel section, do you see one of these right here? LA Galaxy jersey, normally $150. Holy crap, this is a medium. Normally $150. Ross got you for $40. Puma windbreaker jacket right here, normally $60 down to $30. Columbia jacket right here, normally $100 for $50. A few of these Atlanta United jerseys right here. MLS jersey, $30. Got a few in a large. Got a Jordan hockey jersey, it looks like. Jordan hockey jersey. No original price tag. Oh, there's a original tag, but no price on it. $20. $20, that is a large. Then, of course, we're going to find one of these St. Louis Blues hockey jersey. This is a large. This is a Fanatics brand. I forgot how much these have been going for because the tag has been ripped off. Women's sneaker section where there ain't much in the huge sizes. And then look right here. Look Right here, got some Vaporfly. Next percent 4 is $90 for those. Size 9 right here. Wow. What is this? 280 now? 280 retail or something? Down to 90 bucks. Campus for 40. $90 for the Shocks TLs right here. These are 9.5. Got Chuck 7. Are these Chuck 70s or are these something random? I don't know. They look, yeah, they are Chuck 70s. $30 for these. More Chucks. One of these Fenty Pumas right here. And then another one of these. Look, another one of these. Vaporfly next percent 4. These are really small size, but yeah, 90 bucks. $90. These are size 5. Size 5 women's. Yeah, 90 bucks, dude. Wow. We're out here at Nike Community Store. Wow, so you get 40% off the back long. Where you can find refurbs like these Full Forces under 30 bucks after the discount. And of course, we all like Jordan Retros under retail. But these stores have all been about returns lately. Got Levi 3s right here. Got multiple colorways. I bet you they have multiple sizes because Bulls are returning this left and right. Which is what happens when there's no resale, which is dope for us collectors. Got LeBron 22s right here, 40 off. Got Kobe's under retail, including these Kobe 9 Elites. I don't know if they have multiple sizes. 9.5 on display. Size 9 of these Kobe 3s. And then I did see a couple Jordan 6 salesmen right here. They were under 100 bucks. Damn. Missed out on those. And of course, full video coming. Huuuge's YouTube channel.